Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Today we have with us a new smartwatch from Boat and it's the Boat Xtend Talk. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll let you know how it performs. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the smartwatch and the model name Xtend Talk. And here at this side, we can see we get the Bluetooth calling and the Amazon Alexa built in. At the back of the box we have the key features such as 1.69-inch HD display, 60 sports modes with the auto workout detection, IP68 water, dust and sweatproof. You get the ambient sound detection, cloud and custom watch faces, call, text and social media notifications, sedentary and hydration alert, heart rate, SpO2 and stress monitoring. And this smartwatch is compatible with both Android and iOS. The MRP on the box is Rs 6,990. However, it's going to be available at an introductory price of just Rs 2,999. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the smartwatch itself and here we have it in the pitch black color. And apart from that, this smartwatch is available in the cherry blossom and the teal green color. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the quick start guide for the Bluetooth calling and how to set up the Amazon Alexa. And then we have the Boat catalog. And after that, we get the user guide for this smartwatch. And then we have this Boat head sticker. Apart from that, in the box we get the magnetic charging cable. And here is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Boat Xtend Talk is the upgraded version of the Boat Watch Xtend. And in this, as the name suggests, we have the Bluetooth calling function. Now looking at the design and features, we have the plastic body in this watch and it feels quite lightweight. The straps of this watch feels pretty good and I find them soft on the wrist. So build quality and design wise, I really like this smartwatch from Boat. In terms of the overview, so in the front we have the 1.69-inch HD display, which comes with a 2.5D curved glass. And at this side of the watch, we have the function button with this orange accent line. And next to it, we have the mic for calling. On the other side of the watch, we have the speaker grill. And at the back, we have the charging points along with the sensors. Now, let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here is the watch on, and for pairing, we need the app Boat Wave. And in the app, just scan the QR code. And that's it, the smartwatch is now paired with the phone. Now about the features. So guys, starting with the controls and gestures. So here we are on the watch face and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. You can also add more watch faces through the companion app. Swiping down from the top will show you the notification history. And swiping up from the bottom will show you the quick settings. And here we have the DND, raise to wake, brightness, calling function, torch, find phone and the settings of the watch. You can access quick app cards by swiping left or right on the watch face. And here we have the fitness data, heart rate, stress and so on. To access the main menu, you will need to press the side button once. And guys, here I must tell you that the touch response is very good and there is no lag in the menu. And now about the menu, first we have the health data and here you can see your current day's fitness data. And then we have the sports and in this watch, we get 60 sports modes. And also, you get the auto sport detection for running and walking. After that we have the Alexa and once enabled, you can use the Amazon Alexa on this watch. And guys, you get the output from the speaker for the Alexa in this smartwatch. Then in the menu we have the phone and here we have the calling function. So you have the favorite contacts which you can sync through the app, call history and the dial pad to make a new phone call. And about the calling performance, we will talk in a moment. Then in the menu we have the sport record by which you can see the workout history. And after that we have the heart rate. And guys, the detection is fast and also the data is quite accurate and you don't get any false reading when you're not wearing the watch or when it's on a table. Similar results we have seen with the SpO2 monitoring. After that we have the stress monitoring which will show you a score letting you know how stressed you are. And in this smartwatch, you also get the continuous stress monitoring. After that in the menu, we have the breathe training by which you can do some breathing exercises. And then we have the sleep and here you can see your last night's sleep details. And then in the menu we have the weather and here you can see the current weather along with the weather forecast. After that we have the music by which you can control the music playing on your phone and you can also increase or decrease the volume. And then in the menu we have the clock and here we have the alarm, stopwatch, timer with some preset timers and the world clock. After that we have the ambient sound which detects the ambient sound level and lets you know the dB value in real time. And also, you can enable the auto ambient sound level detection, but this will consume more battery. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the flashlight and the find phone option, which plays a loud tone on your phone. And then finally we have the settings of the watch. In the settings, first we have the wake gesture, which is the raise to wake feature, and this works perfectly in this smartwatch. And then we have the DND ringtone settings, and here you can select the ringtone for both calling and messages. After that we have the app view, and here you can choose between the grid or the list view. And then we have the watch faces, and after that we have the brightness, and here you can set the brightness level and also enable the auto brightness, which reduces the brightness at night time. And then in the settings we have the usual power off, reset and the restart option. So that's all the features we have in the watch, and this smartwatch is definitely packed with a lot of features, and you're getting everything except a remote camera shutter. Now let me quickly show you the companion app Boatwave. So guys, we have covered the app Boatwave in our previous Boat smartwatch review videos, so I'll be showing you just the main features. So here we are on the home page, and here we have the fitness data along with the health data at the bottom. And then we have the training page, and from here you can start a workout session. After that we have the device page, and here you can see the connected device on the top along with the watch face market, and here we have a lot of cloud-based watch faces. Now talking about the settings of the watch, first we have the connection status along with the current day's fitness data, and then we have the health monitoring features such as auto heart rate, stress monitoring, and then we have the reminders such as drink water reminder, sedentary alert, and here you can also enable the sleep monitoring and also the auto ambient sound level. After that we have the notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, as you know already that you can accept or reject the call from the watch itself. But unfortunately, we don't have the preset replies in this smartwatch. And about the calling performance, it works pretty good and the mic clarity is amazing. Though the speaker volume is little low, but indoors you won't face any problem. And now let me show you the app notification. So here we have the message alert. So you get the app icon, and when you tap on it, you can see the text. And here again, we don't have the preset replies and the emoji support in this smartwatch. After that in the settings, we have the auto sport recognition, and as mentioned earlier, it works only with running and walking. So overall the Boat Xtend Talk is a decent Bluetooth calling smartwatch. The price of this smartwatch is Rs 2,999, and in this price, you're getting a good design and a well-built smartwatch. Feature-wise, you're getting all the necessary features, and the display of this watch is also very good. And again, there is no lag in the menu and the touch is responsive. The fitness data is also accurate, and the sleep tracking, heart rate, and the SpO2 data is also fairly accurate. This smartwatch is really comfortable on the hand, and I was able to sleep wearing this smartwatch without any issue. The calling performance is also very good, and the battery backup is also decent. And with the moderate usage, it can easily last up to 10 days. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a smartwatch with Bluetooth calling and also the Alexa support, then this newly launched smartwatch from Boat is a very good option. And I can say it's the best budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch which comes with the Alexa support under Rs 3,000 right now. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy this smartwatch, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Boat Xtend Talk smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.